Our Buddha instructed firstly to choose the suitable place. Ida bhikkhave bhikkhu, Arinya Gatowa, Rokha Mula Gatowa, Sunyagara Gatowa, Nisitati. Because of that, meditator who like to practice samatha meditation or vipassana meditation to develop their concentration, firstly choose the suitable place. That is, Idapik Arinya Katowa, in the forest or Sunyagara Katowa, quiet and seclusion place or Rokha Mula Katowa, at the foot of the trees. And then, so later, after choosing the place, then meditator must choose the suitable posture also. After that, Palinga Abujitwa, Ujongkaya, Panitaya, Primukhan Setting Upatapito. So, no, Palinga Abujitwa me. So, there are four body posture: sitting, standing, lying down, walking. Among the four body posture, sitting cross-leg position is suitable to develop the concentration. The cross-leg position also, if you are able to sit, full lotus posture is you can use. But if you cannot sit full lotus posture, you can not put one leg on another. Putting side by side is better. Otherwise, because of putting your leg one on another, you will get a numb and pain feeling very quickly. Because of that, your leg, you should sit cross-leg position, but you should not put your leg on each other. Put side by side is better. After that, Ujongkaya Panitaya. So you keep your upper body straight position, should not bend your spine and the neck. Otherwise, you will get back ache and the neck ache. Therefore, no, Ujongkaya Panitaya means so keep the upper body straight position. So after that, certain upatapitwa, you should put your object, your mind in front of your face. So really, our Buddha didn't mention so to focus at which place our Buddha didn't mention exactly, but according to the Visuddhimagga give simply is look like the simply of the saw. No? When you cut the wood with the saw, the carpenter put the attention at the wood and saw touching place. In the same way, if you are breath touch at the nostril, try to know your breath at the touching point of the nostril. If your breath touch at the upper lip, try to know your breath at the touching point of the upper lip. So when the carpenter cut the wood, he doesn't follow the saw movement. In the same way, you should not follow with in-breath and you should not follow with the out-breath. Know the breath at the touching point. If your breath is clear, you can focus well on the breath to know the in and out breath. Sometimes, if your breath is very subtle, if you can't focus well on the breath, you can test your two nostrils by using your two fingers and left and right nostril. Which one is more easier and more clearer? Little bit forcefully breathing and then check and test your nostril. One side is easier and clearly breathing. One side is a little bit blocked and stuck. Don't pay attention that blocked and stuck side. More pay attention the clear and easier side. You will find your breath. That also change. Sometimes left side is easier and clearer. Right side is a little bit blocked and stuck. Sometimes right side is clear and easier. You find the breath. So left side is very subtle. Because of that, check and test left and right nostril. Which one is more easier and clearer? Pay attention that side and know the breath. Because of concentrating mind and the breath harmonize, you can develop your concentration and your mind will be less distractions also. That also you may ask the questions. No? Pandey, I must focus on the breath or on the touching point. So, really, the object is in and out breath. Because of that, so we must focus at the touching point on the breath. Because of that, if you see another simile, gatekeeper or doorkeeper, security guard, so he checked the people who pass at his gate. He doesn't look the gate. Because of that, not just merely concentrate on the touching point. Touching point is look like the gate only. Because of that, you must check. So look like the security gate, security guard. He checked the people. So you must check, you must focus, you must know the in and out breath at the touching point, not just merely touching point to focus. That also, when you start to practice mindfulness or breathing, according to our mind, I have already talked, very difficult to control whatever object, immediately focus on that object. Because of that, if you are mind wandering a lot, if you can't control your mind, use the counting method. Counting method means you can count your breaths in out one, in out two, in out three, in out four, in out five, like that. You can count. That also should not count less than 5 and should not count more than 10. What is the reasons? If you count less than 5 also, because of count the small number, you will not get good concentration. If you count more than tens, 100 to 1,000 numbers also, at the beginning, you can aware the in and out breath. But counting numbers are bigger and bigger, you will more aware on the numbers only. You cannot concentrate well on the breath. Because of that reason, should not count less than 5 and should not count more than 10. Between 5 and 10, you can choose your lucky number. My teacher choose number 8 because of Atta making the Eightfold Noble Path. So if you are mind wandering a lot, so you can choose your lucky number and you can count in out 1, in out 2, like that. At the time, you must determine also, while I'm counting, whatever thoughts interrupt my mind, I don't follow, I don't think, I will not try to finish my determination number. Like that way, you can count 1 to 8, 1 to 8, or 1 to 5 again. No need to count how many rounds or 1 to 8. This counting method. Because if you counting and leveling in, out, sometimes you will get the tiredness. And also the mind also not so calm. Because of that, no need to use all the time this counting method. When your mind calm or because of counting and leveling in, out, if you are tired or you can stop this counting method and without counting, just leveling or naming in, out, or without labeling, without naming, without noting, just knowing in and out breath also. You can practice. After that sitting this meditation, while you are sitting, later on, because of our body nature, gradually you will feel pain or numb or discomfort feeling will arise. That also some of the meditation method to focus on that body's sensation, feeling, pain or numb or so, hot or. But in the moment of developing the concentration stage, don't focus, don't concentrate on that discomfort feeling as much as pay attention on the breath only. But because of this pain is worse and worse, difficult to control your mind on the breath. So you can change your body posture, remove the pain feeling. But that also should not change immediately without mindfulness. Pay attention on the breath and mindfully, gradually change the body posture and remove the pain feeling and continue to concentrate on the breath. Should not change again and again also because of minor discomfort. Otherwise, you will not get good concentration. If you change it again and again, without changing, forcibly concentrate on the breath also, because of physically and mentally tired. You cannot develop well concentration because of that. So when you are unbearable only, pain feeling is worse only, change the body posture and remove the pain feeling and continue to concentrate on the breath. After the sitting meditation, other times, so of the whole day, what I have to do after the sitting meditation. Really, my teacher idea is among the four clear comprehension, four sampajana, as a Gochara sampajana. Gochara means result or domain of posture in the moment of retreat. So, no, the domain of your mind, so that is that in and out breath, in the moment of developing the concentration stage. While you are practicing Anapana meditation stage, your mind domain is the in and out breath. Because of that, after the sitting meditation also, while you walking or lying down or sleeping or as possible as pay attention on the breath. But other posture, eating, taking shower or doing something, in that moment, difficult to pay attention on the breath. So mindfully and move your body posture and trying to control your mind. So that way only, when you meditate, when you're sitting, you will get concentration immediately. Otherwise, while you are sitting, you pay attention on the breath. After the sitting meditation, you do regularly without mindfulness. You may talk too much or read, accessing the internet or so chatting a lot or so while you meditate, the mind distract and you will not get good concentration. As a you must know how to practice this counting method and without counting. So focus on in and out breath. Also, later on, you must know that long and short breath, knowing the whole breath and the subtle breath. So you must know step by step the method of how to practice mindfulness for breathing. But now I explain only the counting method and just focus in and out breath. The next day only. So at the interview day, I will explain how to practice this long and short and knowing the whole breath method.
Yes.
According to the Abhidhamma, Chitta Usto Upachara Samadhi, Apana Samadhi, Dui Dopi Samadhi, Chitta Visuddhi Nama. For the purification of mind, meditator must develop access concentration, absorption concentration. So because of that, when you know that is Anapana meditation, you must develop up to attainment of Apana Samadhi, first jhana to fourth jhana. I have already talked to you. Vipassana object is Nama and Rupa. So, mentalities and the materiality. Mentality also consciousness and mental factor, Chitta and Chittasika. So, Rupa, that is materiality. Really to discern, to analyze ultimate reality of this consciousness, mental factor, material is because of very profound and just nature only. Therefore, to analyze concentration is very important. Because of that reasons, my teacher so advised, instruct to develop concentration first. Later only, meditator must discern what are the materiality according to Buddha teaching, what are the mentality. So that way only you can develop your vipassana inside meditation systematically. If we know thoroughly, systematically about this nama and rupa, that way, after knowing that this nama rupa parisiranyana, knowledge of discernment of mind and matter and their causes only can remove sakaya deity, personality or identity wrong view also. Because of that, foundation is very important. Therefore, my teacher teach samatha and vipassana meditation systematically, step by step, according to the seven Visuddhi, so seven purification. That way only, according to the Mahasatipatthana Sutta. No? At the beginning of the Mahasatipatthana Sutta, our Buddha preached by practicing this four four Satipatthana, meditator can gain. So Satana, Visuddhiya, Soka Devana, Samatikamaya, Doka Domanasa, Atingamaya, Nyayasa Adikamaya, Nibbanasa Sichikriyaya. So if you practice full foundation of mindfulness, Satipatthana, so Satana Visuddhiya, so the beings can purify the one mind's Soka Devana, Samatikamaya. Meditator can overcome sorrow or grief and lamentation, Soka Devana, Samadhi. Dukkha Domanasa Atingamaya. It can cease and subside the dukkha dominant suffering and the displeasure or dissatisfactions. Dukkha dominant dominasa atingamaya, nyayasa adikamaya. Can attain the both path knowledges and also nibbanasa sichikriya. You can realize that nibbana also because of that. If you practice the foundation of mindfulness, so systematically, you can gain these benefits also. So you see nowadays, in your phone, so in the world, many human beings, also many animals, what they are encountering, because they cannot control their mind. So many problems in the human world because of that. At the beginning of this Dhamma also I talk to you to control the mind, to train the mind. To train the mind is very important. That way only you will get your inner peace and also you can help to other people peace also. Because of that, so join that this retreat. May you gain the Buddha teaching and may you attain the supreme bliss of your life in this very life in the future also. If you have any question, you can ask. So for this retreat, I prepare the Mahavedala Sutta.
Yes,
Pawaratmika,
Sayadaw.
he will translate and explain to you. That
Yes,
is
Sayadaw.
next day only.
Yes.